everybody, Asong Filipino. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm now wearing white flip-flops. So I'm gonna show you what I have today. This is from Lazada and this is not a sponsored video. Well, I like this one. So I just wanna show you what I have here. I just have scissors here. So this is the panel board, solar panel. So I'm not gonna open it. I keep it in a good place. This one I'm curious to see. I'm gonna take this aside. I'm gonna show you. Oh, this is super nice. Actually, only I feel something moving.
Actually, I want to keep it.
Actually, that's true. I want to keep it. But we have solar already. And this is the stand. Oh my god. One siya, nipis. Nipis na siya. So, this is the stand. Like this. And also with this switch. So what else you want to see? I know you want to see me walking with flip-flops, so I'm gonna walk with flip-flops before we end the video. So this is white. I'm gonna wear this one, pink, super cute. That's all guys, and see you next video. Love you all.